going on? Thursday, 2 days till Bimmerfest. Got out of here at 3:30 in the morning last night. Well, this morning. A late start, but we're gonna install our prototype roll bar in the sedan. To do so, we need to remove the driver door. So we're gonna show you doing that. That way you can get an idea of how it's gonna have to be installed. Hopefully it won't be too much of a hassle. And then we also got our wrap guy finishing up the E30. Then he's gonna jump on and wrap the sedan as well. Scraps, by the way. So we'll put his Instagram in the description. Hit him up, good quality work, and let's do this. See, that wasn't too bad. You only have to remove your entire interior, the center console, and the door. It's easy.
What's going on here, Matt?
Good, I gotta mount this rear wing. We got the wrapping company wrapping right now. They're literally barely touching up the K-car, which buys us a couple minutes to mount the last of the panels, front bumper, rear bumper, and wing. And I had a long night yesterday, so I'm running on like 3.5 brain cells. So this will be good. Let's just mount a rear wing during this time. That's good. Let's give that to Matthew. That's good. He's in good shape to do this. That's good. We're gonna start out by center drilling all these things so the drill bit doesn't walk. It also actually leaves a nice taper on there from the center drill, so that way the drill bit doesn't walk. I'm gonna get the correct drill bit. Pretty cool. All right, so the reason we're doing this is that we're using a lightweight wing. Lightweight wings only came on coupes. This is a sedan. There's a trunk difference on them. So literally like it lands where the seam is. So we literally have to make it happen, you know? I mean, for this top one, there's a top bolt screw right here. We're not really worried about that one right there because you can reach in from here. You know, so you don't have to cut it. But then there's these two are the problem. So, yep, we're cutting away. So that's what it is. It's lightweight holes.
Put the emblem on.
Yeah, beautiful.
I like it. Put the badge on it.
That's cool. Cool. Oh. That's so sick. That's cool. Yeah, with the cage and that, you never imagine this was a piece of shit a couple days ago. Well, it's still a piece of shit, but it's a piece of shit we threw nice parts at. Yeah. coming together.
Just got some 15x8 NK RPF 1s plus 28 offset, 4x100 for the E30K car. 11.3 pounds per wheel, and then tires come in like right under 6 pounds, 7 pounds. So it's a sub 20 pound wheel tire setup right there.
What the fuck?
Let's just check the proof. Let's check it and see what happens.
What the fuck, dude? Alright, we're gonna Garagistic.
Well, let me know.
Misspelled flags.
Yeah, it's been an interesting day.
Oh boy. Basura. What the f is this?
Toilet paper.
You think you can make them by tomorrow? Alright, so we're gonna start wrapping the car, so we gotta take off all the trim all around the car. The reason why you do that kind of helps make a cleaner look, just because the wrap will go behind the trim, so when this goes on top, it's gonna look really nice. And another thing is buy clips ready to go, because they will break. They're old cars, brittle plastic, so. That's pretty much today's summary.
Yeah, basically. So sticking with the theme of the wheels are hub centric. So the bore is too big basically for the hub, which means, I mean, we're not gonna make it drivable anyway at this point, getting there. But it just has to look right. But we can't even roll it because that's the other problem. It's touching the strut. We need a spacer. So we need a hub-centric ring adapter thingamabob and a chingadera and a spacer. So today we've had what kind of all kinds of stuff really.
So bent rim.
Bent rim, wheels that need a hub-centric adapter.
Misspelled feather flag.
Yep. So
That says Garagistic instead
we've
of.
had it all. We've had Garagistic. We've had Garagistics. You know, the S, everybody likes to make it plural. A couple other ones, but today, that's good. We were missing some letters and had some extra letters in there. So, yeah, we're laughing at our pain right now. So,
That's all we can do. That's
But-
all we can do.
I guess the plan right now, I guess what we're going to do, because we had to cut our losses, we're no sleep, no brain power. And, you know, some days, like these that are just from the beginning, you just have to cut them. So what we're going to do is we're actually just going to get the cars inside, have the wrappers do their thing, and we're going to go to sleep early today and come back at 3 o'clock. We're going to plan before we leave, get a game plan. We've got the detailers at 2 o'clock, so we know that's kind of our deadline as far as the cars being clean. So we're going to probably get here, yeah, like 3:30. That should give us enough time, peace and quiet, you know, before the phones start ringing and stuff like that, to get it done. If Brother Mina's watching this, we stay in positive, homie.